see, it's raining, and I lost my umbrella, so this should be interesting figuring out how to get home without getting wet. What'd you boys find down there?
Shoe!
A shoe? Yeah, there is. Look at this. It's raining. There's a shoe right there. Weird.
I think somebody's hiding in there.
You think someone's hiding in there?
Yeah.
It's a terrible place to hide while it's raining. Jake, you gonna show them your house?
What?
Look at that.
Look cool.
Super cool. That's a nice and creepy piece of artwork.
Daddy, I'm going too fast.
I see. That's your heartbeat. I really wish that more people would read signs like this. Job. Funny story. We've been renting this house for a few years, and there's this log that's been driving me crazy. You can probably see it right there. And it's the heaviest log, and I could never pick it up. And I've always just hated how it just sticks out like a sore thumb in the yard. You have to weed eat and all that. So I got to weed eating and looking at it. It's a tree stump. No wonder that I can't move it. So that's a fail on my part. There's my shoe out in the rain. One of my lawnmower shoes. My golden retriever likes to drag stuff out in the yard. How much is that doggy in the window? When we're gone, I put on this music you see here for Hank, a special little channel on our Roku. Curious, you do anything like that when you leave your pets?
Okay.